grand tapestry of existence is not only outside of you, it intricately weaves itself into the fabric of your thoughts. Our thoughts, like cosmic ripples, reverberate across the vast expanse of the universe. Much like a pebble thrown into a pond creates waves, every thought we have creates a vibration that radiates outward, according to Dr. Wayne Dyer. As someone once said, our thoughts are like boomerangs that return to their source with pinpoint accuracy. This also reflects the harmonious dance of thought and manifestation. We frequently overlook the enormous potential residing in the depths of our minds, failing to comprehend their vast capacities of resonance with the universe into a fascinating phenomenon. Consider a time when you fervently desired a particular outcome, a fleeting dream or a silent hope, and seeing it manifest shortly after are not mere coincidences or strokes of luck. Instead, they are the universe's subtle way of reflecting your deepest reverberations. It's similar to water, which adapts its shape to the contours of the vessel that contains it. Similarly, the vast cosmos shifts and rearranges in sync with our profound, echoing thoughts. Albert Einstein, a luminary who traversed the vast realms of existence. And reality, astutely stated, is merely an illusion, albeit a persistent one. What then is the source of this enduring illusion? The answer is astonishingly simple yet profoundly deep. We imagine the universe as a receptive canvas brimming with anticipation for the brush, rather than an indifferent expanse of stars and galaxies. Strokes are caused by our mental and emotional energies. To better understand this concept, consider the lives of pioneering visionaries such as Nikola Tesla and Marie Curie. Their contributions, which changed the course of human civilization, were not by chance. Instead, they were the tangible results of deeply held convictions, dreams, and aspirations that resounded within the symphony of the universe through unwavering focus. Their dominant thoughts and desires became a powerful magnet drawing towards them, realities that not only shaped their destinies, but also sculpted the course of human history. Harnessing the limitless power of our thoughts and intentions is akin to wielding an ancient weapon with two edges. Its power is undeniable, but its effects can be both beneficial and harmful. When wielded with intent, it acts as a wand, conjuring miraculous transformations and optimism, but it can just as easily become a blade slicing through our hopes with every pulse of doubt and fear. Thoughts tinged with anxiety, uncertainty, or pessimism can spiral out of our mental realms and manifest as tangible challenges in life's theater. Imagine a movie continuously replaying scenes of despair. Eventually, these stories seep beyond the screen and into the reality of our existence. The spiritual heartlands of ancient India held secrets that shed light on this phenomenon. The revered principle of sankalpa or intention was held in the highest regard by esteemed yogis and sages who posited that a fervently held intention. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, an arrow, like a meticulously crafted arrow, invariably finds its target. When an intention is held with purity, clarity, and constant focus, the universe orchestrates a dance of elements to bring that intention to fruition. On the other end of the spectrum, there are transient, sporadic thoughts. These fleeting whims, born of fleeting impulses, frequently fade away without leaving a lasting imprint on the cosmic tapestry. Such evanescence manifests when our half-hearted desires and superficial yearnings go unfulfilled. The universe, with its intricate and discernible nature, resonates with our most profound and intense energies. It frequently ignores the feeble transmissions of lukewarm wishes, instead tuning in to the emphatic broadcasts of our hearts, deepest calls, thoughts for cosmic harmony. How then, amidst the infinite vastness of the cosmos, do we make certain that our thoughts are unwavering, clear, and powerful? The first step is to refine our intent as if it were a raw diamond that gleams brilliantly once meticulously carved. The clarity of our thoughts amplifies their potential to sway the universe rather than meandering in the vague realms of, "I'm looking for happiness." Ascend to the exact affirmation of, "I am blissfully immersed in pursuits that ignite my soul." Further, infuse your thoughts with the energizing elixir of belief by reflecting on the wisdom of Louise Hay, the illustrious spiritual luminary, who affirmed, "Believe it to see." It emphasizes the primacy of faith. The magical moment when belief and thought seamlessly merge is analogous to producing a note that harmoniously aligns with the universe's grand symphony, the dance of emotions. Furthermore, this orchestration picture elevates emotions as powerful amplifiers, magnifying and intensifying our thoughts' pulsations. When a thought is charged with intense emotion, it acts as a luminous beacon, casting its light across the cosmos and preparing the way for its physical manifestation. It is critical to tread carefully. This is not a call to produce false positivity or don rose-tinted glasses. The universe, with its infinite wisdom, effortlessly distinguishes between the hues of genuine joy and the tints of insincere exuberance. Allow genuineness to be your guide as you experience the full range of emotions. But consciously directing your thoughts in the direction of your most cherished aspirations, mindfulness in the midst of life's turbulence. How can one maintain a sanctuary of positive ruminations in the midst of life's relentless tempests and tumultuous noise? The sanctuary, it appears, is nestled within us by embracing practices such as meditation. Aligning with this core allows the cacophonous distractions to diminish, giving rise to thoughts that reverberate with the universe's rhythm. Echoing Rumi, the revered Sufi mystic who said, "What you seek is seeking you." We are reminded of the buried treasure trove of potential. Begin this introspective journey by fine-tuning your thoughts and standing transfixed as the universe reflects them back, crafting realities that exceed our wildest dreams. Keep in mind that every thought sown is a celestial blueprint as you navigate the winding path of life. Lay its foundation with intention, tend to it with conviction and emotion, and watch the universe unfold in kind. Put yourself in the shoes of the cosmic artisan, molding realities with the malleable substance of your thoughts. Allow your thoughts to set the tempo in the grand choreography of existence, leading the universe in a synchronized performance of creation, as above, so below, and so within. So, dear Voyager, without your musings, the universe's gentle reverberations narrate the epics of the future. Let the universe is orchestrating the opus of your aspirations as they serenade tales of magnificence.